Hi everyone, this is the GAS walkthrough for December 29th. I'm Philip Newman. Today I'm solving Diagonal Outside 3 by Bill Murphy. We have normal Sudoku rules, 1 to 9 in each row, column, and 3 by 3 box. Additionally, we have some clues outside the grid and arrows with them. The arrows are pointing along a diagonal in the grid, and the clues are digits that must appear in the first 3 cells. So this 3, 7, 8 is telling us that 3, 7, and 8 must appear in these 3 cells. The 6, 9 is telling us that 6 and 9 must appear in these 3 cells, along with some other digit, which could be another 6 or 9. That is not ruled out in any way. So those are the rules. And we're just going to walk around the grid starting with this clue. We're going to fill in the 3, 7, 8. And notice now this 1, 2 clue can't be fulfilled in this cell. So this must be 1, 2. 4, 5, 8 here means our 8 in this box is one of these 3 cells. So it's not here. And that's going to give us a digit. Alright, 4, 8, 9 here. 5 and 6 must go somewhere here. 6 and 9 here can't go in that cell, so that is 6, 9. And we're getting these little V patterns, or zigzag patterns, all over. The 2, 3, and then the 5, 6 get restricted in a similar way. The 2, 3 here as well, and now the 6, 7. And now the 1, 4. And now the 7, 8. And the 7, 8 we can actually get a digit from. We get the 6 there. That's going to give us the 9 up here. That's it for now. I'm not going to fill this in yet, but I just noticed this. We have a 2, 3 pair here. Where does the other 2, 3 go in this box? Can only go there. So that's a 2 or 3. They're not here. So that's going to give us another pair, and this is 1, 7. I'm not even going to use that because we'll get those another way fairly quickly, I'm sure. But it's a neat little thing to spot. 2, 4, 8 here. The 2, 5 isn't restricted in the same way as the other ones, but the 2 can't go in this box. So this must be the 2. And now 5 is in one of these cells. That 2 is going to give us 3 and 2, and 2 and 3. So now where does 2 go in this box? It goes here. That's not 2, so it's 4. That's not 2, so it's 8. The 1 at the top resolves these 1, 4 pairs. Clean up a little more. The 3 resolves the 3, 7 pair. The 9 at the top gives us our 4. Alright, this clue we haven't done yet. This is 5, 6, 9, and this is not a 6 from both directions. But unfortunately that doesn't give us a digit yet. The 3, 9 here is restricted. That does, because we have a 3 there. This now must be the 5 because of the 3 that we just placed. That resolves our 5, 6 pair. I remember when I tested this, commenting that I solved this in precisely the wrong way, and I'm probably doing the same thing again, just being drawn to all sorts of different parts of the grid. But 1 in this box goes here. This can't be 6 in the row. We also get our 7, 1 resolved over here. This is 2, 5, 6. That's not super helpful. Alright, have we not done any clues? So that is usually my problem in this kind of puzzle, is I will just miss a clue. I think I missed this 5, 6, 9 for a while when I solved this. Okay, in this box we need 2, 3, 7. We can make that a chocolate teapot. These aren't 2, this isn't 2, so this is a 2. This is going to be 5, 6, 9. Seven in this column. 7 can't go in this box. 7 can't go there. So this is 6. It's the only thing it can be in the column, given the 3 and the 8 here. Gives us a 5, 9 pair, which makes that the 6, which makes that the 6. These are 3 and 8, not resolved yet. These are 3 and 4, that is 5 and 9 down here. The 7 there resolves all of this. Alright, we have we have a 3 there. Let's do that first. We have a 5, 9 pair here, so this must be 1, 4. Here we need 5, 9, and 3, so that's the 3. And an 8 we can't do yet. That's not 9 or 5, never mind, we can do it. Alright. 1 and 7 here is resolved. We need a 4 up here, but that's got options. 6 up here must go there. This is 5 or 8. And now again we have a pair here. We could have seen this as a hidden single 9 in this row, if we happen to look at it that way. But this is going to be our 9 in that row. Okay. This is now 4 or 5 in the column. So we're left with a 1, 2 pair here. And then this is 9, whatever digit is left. And that's finally going to give us into the 5 9s, if I can type them correctly. 8, 9 here. 8 there. This is a 4. 6 from the 5 we place, 2 and 5. And now we've got 1, 7, 8, 9, 3, and 4. And that's the solution. So yeah, really cool puzzle, classic patterns for this rule set. This one I think is a little bit trickier than the previous 2 that Bill has done. There's a little more variety in the types of deductions that you make. So hopefully you learned something from that, or found it just a bit more interesting and challenging. But let us know how you did in the comments, and I will see you next time. And Happy New Year!